Yep, that's the siren. That's the tornado siren, alright. Hot damn. I hear the tornado siren. Oh yeah. It's time for me to take a walk. Oh, I can feel the rain down here. Gotta go. Oh yeah. That's the tornado siren. Holy hell. What fun. I'll stay out here until the tornado siren goes away. Woo. Oh my God, am I hearing the voice of God? Whoa. I don't know what the hell that was, but I am here for it. What in the hell was it? I don't see no. Nothing bad. So it's a little rainy. So sun's out right there. Well, I'll keep you guys up to date on the storm as long as I got the Wi-Fi for it. I don't hear the sound. I do, but I think it's in my ears because it was so damn loud. Yes, indeed. You too? Are you live streaming or anything?
No, I'm not live streaming.
Oh, I'm doing a YouTube. I'm a YouTuber. So was that a test or was that the real thing?
That's the real thing.
Yes! Not often you get to be blown by Mother Nature. So that was the real thing, huh? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm in my nice spring clothes, waiting for this tornado. Isn't it lovely? Well, I will keep you guys posted. I'm keeping my shoes on, honey. And my bag and my handbag handy. Oh, school's out early too because of it. Holy shit. That was the real deal. Oh, it's fun. Let's go in, shall we? Hello, it's you two. Must notice me from a YouTube video. Whee!